Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are in League City again looking at new construction homes that are move-in ready. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Let's go take a look. Right whenever you walk in, this is your view. Directly to the left here, we have what could be used as the office space, maybe a workout studio or a playroom. It's nice and spacious in here. You have a really pretty view of your front yard. Right here, we have a storage closet. This one goes all the way back underneath the stairs. It's perfect for holiday decor, cleaning supplies, just some extra space for you. Right this way is our garage. 2-car garage finished. And here is the first half bath. Big mirror in here, sink. Behind this door is the toilet. It does go all the way up. You could do one of those storage racks if you wanted to in here. And right here is the laundry room. You have pretty white tiling in here. This long rack for hanging and storage. Gas and electric connections. And this leads us to the kitchen. First off, I absolutely love these cabinets. They're such a pretty color and they match nicely with the marble backsplash here. They also have a ton of storage in them. Lots of shelves, they're very tall. Same with underneath. Lots of storage space. And your drawers. Here you have a full gas range stove, oven, microwave. This is where your refrigerator would go. You have your dishwasher. It has one of those top racks for utensils. My favorite thing about my dishwasher, so I always look. Stainless steel sink, and you do have a trash bin cabinet here, so your trash is hidden. And this is your pantry. Lots of storage space here. Goes all the way up at the top. And these thick shelves, which are nice and sturdy. We'll go this way. This is what could be used as your dining space. You have these really pretty windows letting in natural light. And here is your living room. Connects to everything else in the house. There's your backyard. It did stop raining, so we're gonna go and pop outside so you can see your patio. Covered patio and your pretty backyard. Alright, and right this way is our primary bedroom. You have these 2 really pretty windows in here. Soft carpet. Outlet up here for a TV. And that leads us into our primary bathroom. So right here, directly on your right, is the water closet. Here's your vanity. So much storage here. Look at all of these. Double sinks. And here is your shower with the tiling. And your primary closet. You have the shelving on the side here for shoes, maybe bags, pants, all that storage on the top. And it goes into this side as well. And a linen closet. So much storage in there. Big mirrors with your vanity. Now we're gonna go take a look upstairs at the rest of the bedrooms. And right when we get to the top of the stairs, here is the game room. It goes all the way back this way. Pretty view of your front yard. And right here is a bedroom. This bedroom does come with its own full bathroom. You can see the tiling goes all the way up in the shower. Your vanity with the same cabinets as everywhere else. And right here is the closet. Lots of space in here. It does go all the way on both sides. And you have a shelf up here. I believe that door right here is an attic access. And right this way, we have the other bedrooms. This, though, is another linen closet. Again, so much storage in here. And it does go all the way to the top. Here's another bedroom. I think my favorite thing about this bedroom is that the windows are kind of covered. I think it just looks really pretty and cozy. This room is nice and spacious. And right over here would be your closet. Nice walk-in. Here is our last bedroom. Nice window for natural lighting. And here's our closet. Again, goes all the way on both sides. And you do have the shelf at top. And here is the last full bathroom upstairs. Again, tiling all the way up in the shower, soaking tub here, spacious vanity. And that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think.